Going to be discussing how to install DefenseReady. Here I'm at the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Admin Center, and here we have an open line that we can configure an instance, so we'll go ahead and click Configure. And we're given some options on whether or not to install the sales, customer service, field service, or project service automation, so we'll make sure that those aren't installed. And we'll go ahead and give our site a name, so I'll go ahead and call this name of my site. And this will also become the URL to your site. As for demo purposes, it's going to be a sandbox instance, and we're not applying a security group to this. So we'll go ahead and click Configure. Now that takes a couple moments to build, so we'll go ahead and head over to Permuta build, and we'll download our package. So here we have the DefenseReady Core HRM Joint package. We can review the documentation to see exactly what we're installing. So this is for personal management for the entire workforce, so manning, checklists, directory, physical fitness, vehicles, facilities, those types of things. On the right-hand side is where you're going to be locating the download package URL, so we'll go ahead and select that. It's a little under 20 megabytes, so we have it right here. And we'll use the Package Explorer to view exactly what the contents are in the NuGet package. And here we get a list of those items. So I'll go ahead and export this to my local machine. This is similar to unzipping a zip file and extracting it to your local machine. So here we have the tools folder. Inside the tools folder is an item called Package Deployer EXE. That's what you want to double click on. And now we're at the Package Deployer splash screen, so we can review the license agreement for the product and then click Continue. And here we have some options to display a list of available organizations, and then we can also choose to be on-prem or online. So if it's an on-prem, you just need admin access to the server. So I typed in my credentials. I get a list of instances, so one of those is the one we just made, the name of my site, and I go ahead and click Login. Now we're at the splash screen for the installer. We'll go ahead and click Next. And here we have a last minute look at what we're actually installing, the DefenseReady Core HRM Joint, and then the organization it's going to be layered upon, and we'll click Next. Now it's going to read that configuration file and make sure everything is there. You should get green check marks all the way down, and then click Next. Right from here, it's going to be importing the solution, so take just a minute. And then you get some options if you're going to be doing a data import, and then the safety checks for the data import. And click Next. Now at this point, it's going to import all those data files. And depending on the complexity of the package, this could take anywhere from 30 minutes to 2 hours. So here we have some options to run or skip the removal of the marketing, sales, and customer service. We have the option to create an unmanaged solution. So generally you want to do this. So I'm going to call mine local solution. So this is if you're going to be making any types of changes as far as you're removing items from different fields or adding new fields. You want to make sure that's done in your own solution. You also need an agency for core functionality, so we'll go ahead and label one here. We'll call it Demo Agency. This will generally be just the name of the organization. And then you're going to need your Active Directory credentials. We also have the option to assign that agency to new users, and then we click Next. Now we have options for the organizational settings, so how we want the contact information to be displayed, enabling autosave and auditing, audit user access or user permissions. You can identify the site name, sitemap org name, and also assign a default user role. It's going to finish installing the custom install module. Then it's going to publish all those customizations, and then you're finished. Now what we're going to do is go back to the admin center, and we're going to click on that URL. And that should take us right into the application that we just installed. So here we have DefenseReady. To manage a joint environment, go over here to Workplace and you see all the tools and apps that are available to you. And that's it. As you can see, the install process is very straightforward, very intuitive. The solution deployer really makes it easy to follow along, and within 20 minutes to 2 hours, depending on the complexity of the solution package, you could be utilizing DefenseReady for your organization. Thank you.